The Lucy mission is a planetary mission to the Trojan asteroids that are around Jupiter. It's going to survey actually a total of 8 targets, 7 asteroids around Jupiter and 1 asteroid in the main asteroid belt. Once you know where you're going and the type of science that you want to take, one of the things that you start looking at is the spacecraft. What size spacecraft? Where is it going? How much power does it need to carry? Does it need solar arrays? What type of solar arrays? What type of vehicle is going to be used to launch it into space? So that dictates how much mass you can carry. And one of the things I do as a project manager is to assemble a team of scientists and engineers and technicians and business people to design that overall spacecraft to achieve your mission. In designing the spacecraft, you are always thinking about what type of environment is it going to be subjected to. Is it going to orbit around Earth? Is it going into deep space? Is it going to Mars? Is it going close to the sun? And so as engineers, one of the things that you're thinking about very early on is how can you design this system and test this system in order to verify and convince yourself that it's going to survive in space. And as part of that, it goes through a very rigorous test program. And so we call it shaking and baking. And so we actually put it through what we call a thermal vac chamber in which we simulate the space environment. We also put it on what we call a vibe table in which we vibrate it, so we shake it. And one of the important things that you have to do in order to be convinced that it's going to survive is to make sure that the environment in which you're testing it in, the simulated environment, is harsher than what it's going to see in space. So once you subject that spacecraft or that instrument to that environment, then you can have confidence that it's going to last the lifetime that it's been designed for.